are several reasons why now's a great time to visit the 360 Chicago observation deck.
High above the Magnificent Mile.
It's really cool. So there's this new drone photo exhibit way up on the 94th floor. Charles Martinez is with us live this morning. He's a drone photographer and creator of SkyChi at 360 Chicago.
Charlie, thank you for being here.
Thanks for having me. This is an honor.
Okay, well, it's an honor for us to have you. Tell us about this exhibit, what folks need to know, and what led to it.
Yeah, I've been doing photography for the last 7 years. So I wanted to do something different in the city of Chicago because it's so beautiful. It's one of the most unique cities in the world. And I wanted to get some different perspective of different neighborhoods and different angles of the city.
Oh, that's cool. So what exactly is the Elevate Gallery at 360 Chicago? Looks like we're looking at some cool video.
Yeah, the Elevate Gallery in Chicago is something that they have done quite some time now, where they're actually exposing or showcasing different artists within the city, where they're actually letting them know that, hey, you're being recognized, and we definitely want to let people know that you're doing this in the city.
So you got this partnership with St. Nicholas Ukrainian Cathedral School. You picked them. Why?
Yeah, in my opinion, children are the future, and during the current situation, they shouldn't be actually exposed to what they are actually living now. And there's so many of them that being displaced, and a little donation that I have that I'm actually doing for this is like a small, I will say, contribution to what they are actually facing right now.
We can't wait to check it out. Charlie Martinez, the creator of SkyChi at 360 Chicago. Thank you for joining us this afternoon.
Thank you so much.